This is a quick walkthrough video of the Flagstaff A-frame, model number T21DMHW. So this is the front side profile. Where at the back here you have a cargo space there. A cutting board. There's your propane hookup right there. And also you can put the barbecue here. An outdoor speaker, TV antenna. Coming to the side. This is to access the toilet when you need to clean it. Storage. You also have an additional storage bay here in the front. You'll have a place to put two 20-pound propane tanks, batteries here in the front. The same cargo, you can pull it from the side as well in case you need to access it. Here you would find the backside of your fridge, outdoor shower, that's the exhaust for the furnace. That right here is your water heater, your 30 amp hour power supply, a window on the side. That's the back of the AC. Cargo access from the back. You have Pro Rack bicycle racks that you can hook up a bicycle to. Your spare tire. Skylight for the bed. As we walk inside, to my left is the controls for your infotainment. That's the controls for your AC and thermostat. All the light switches are here. To the right there's additional storage. A dinette that turns into a bed. As I move towards the left, that's your bed over there, and the AC unit is below that. You also have a microwave unit here. There's one speaker by the bed and a nice skylight with folds. Right by the dinette you also have a big window which opens up too. You have your domestic sink with a glass cover. And below the sink there's storage. Place to put your utensils. Below that is the furnace. You have a 2-burner stove from Suburban, again with a glass top. Your domestic fridge, which runs on propane as well as electricity. This is the fold down shower area. So this entire part folds down. And there's a place to hook up a shower curtain as well to give you privacy when you're using it. And there's also your second speaker outlet right here. So this is a quick look around of the Flagstaff A-frame.